take a look at how that affects law enforcement.
Here locally, especially, CBS 42 News reporter Hillary Simon joins us in studio after the election yesterday with some big changes coming up.
Yeah, Hillary, with Sessions no longer in at the Attorney General's office, that affects law enforcement across the country.
Yeah, the top cop enforces federal laws for all divisions of law enforcement. That's for sure. So I've spoken to several people who are high up in law enforcement in Jefferson County. Although Jeff Sessions was on the federal level, they hope whoever comes in has the intentions of helping law enforcement and the community work together.
The next Attorney General for the United States is unknown right now, but whoever it is, the local Fraternal Order of Police president says he hopes that person is chosen wisely.
We want to make sure whoever the president selects, that it's somebody that can represent everybody, you know, not just a certain brand, whether it's law enforcement or not, because there's citizens that need to believe in the police, just like the police need to believe in the citizens.
There are several issues that attorney generals face that could trickle down to help local law enforcement, like prescription drugs. But I'm told the decisions made on the federal level take time.
We try to stay focused on bridging that gap with the community and law enforcement, because that's the bigger picture for us as local level law enforcement. And that's not to say that the U.S. Attorney is not an important position, because it is. It just takes it a little while before it gets down to us.
Jefferson County Sheriff-elect Mark Petway says Sessions' departure doesn't change the hard work they'll continue to do.
He's there to enforce those federal laws that are on the book, and they also assist us locally. That doesn't change anything about law enforcement. It still goes on every day.
Sergeant Boackle says they'll continue focusing on what's going on here locally and hope the decision made up top are done right.
You know, it would be good to have someone that is fair to both sides, you know, because that will help with what we're trying to do on local level.
Now, Sergeant Boackle says there are things the U.S. Attorney General can do to help them, but it's also going to take Congress and legislators to passing laws that would eventually affect the local level. In the studio, Hillary Simon, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.
Hillary